property taxes for the government, you could say. If you're a local government agency, the government municipality, city hall, they don't pay property taxes on their buildings because they're exempt. Our state legislature's buildings, they don't pay property taxes because they're exempt. Police officers' cars, right? You see it in the back, it's exempt. They don't pay, taxes to the DMV like we do. So they wrote it that they don't have to pay it. We have to pay it. The private sector or corporations, right? Okay, that's really how it is. So LA County is having their sale in October. Okay, I'm going through the list line by. I can do it one way, but I'm doing it differently. I'm doing it line by line by line by line by line, and I know exactly which house, which property to bid on. No competition.